Hey everyone, welcome to this week's inside look into the Essential Pandeiro Method book, where each week I'm going to explore one of the lessons from one of the chapters in this book. We're also giving away a free custom-made Mino Pandeiro this holiday season. All you have to do is join our groove letter at scottkettner.com or nationbeat.com or linked somewhere in this message, and we'll send you a message on how you can enter a chance to win this specific custom-made Mino Pandeiro for free. For now, let's get into this week's quick lesson. All right, let's dive into Chapter 2, page 26, the bass tone pyramid exercise. On this one, we're focusing on those bass tones, making sure that they're consistent each time. And in this bass tone pyramid, we're going to be displacing where that bass tone falls in the eighth note grid. All right, so let's get started. Here we go. Bass tone pyramid, page 26. 1, 2, ready, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and stop. All right, so again, focus on those bass tones, making sure they're consistent each time. Have fun practicing, ideally practicing with a metronome, and don't forget to sign up for the newsletter, our groove letter, to enter a chance to win this custom-made Mino Pandeiro. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.